the guests. Come along, children. The party's started.
Graduate, what is this, Hobo? We've never had a party in our house before.
Oh, yes. There used to be lots of parties here.
Yes, Friedrich and I used to sneak out and watch them from the top of the stairs.
I remember the music.
Once, your father brought a gypsy orchestra all the way from Budapest.
These were the
Go ahead, children, and mind your manners.
I remember beautiful ladies and everybody laughing.
There was one lady, the most beautiful of all. I think she was here all the time. Yes, Muise.
Can we dance with a dancer dancing?
Yes, remember what Fräulein Maria?
Yes.
You have German blood, haven't you? I am not a German. I'm an Austrian. There's going to be functions. I warn you, and everyone like you. And that goes for us.
It's much more pleasant on the terrace. Oh, never fail. It's very nice to have you and the Baroness here again.
It's charming, Georg.
I hope she is dear. No, it's just a headache. I was on my way up to see it. We'll find you on the terrace.
Father? Father, I don't think these people are having a very good time.
Half the people who I invited aren't speaking to the other half.
Well, Father, maybe they are having a good time, not speaking to each other.
Run straight around to let you know that she enjoys that.
Hey, you might see whether this glass is brandy.
No! Kurt, I haven't danced with English since I was a little girl.
Oh, you know what, show me.
No, I haven't danced since I was 2.
Just on the left hand behind the back.
No, that's wrong. Let me show you. That's how it's done. Your signal. We will step forward and repeat your name. You, Fräulein, will listen. Learn the names so you can call them when you want them.
Liesel.
Friedrich.
Louisa.
Kurt.
Brigitte. Martha.
Liesel. I'm sorry. Gretel. Now, Fräulein, let's see how well you listen.
Oh, I want you to whistle for them, Reverend Captain. What I mean is, we'll be together all the time.
Not on all occasions. This is a large house in a large estate. They have been taught to come only when they hear signals. Now, when I want you, this is what you'll hear.
No. You won't need to bother, sir, because I couldn't possibly answer to whistle.
Nonsense. Everyone in this house answers to a whistle. I'll show you. This is my orderly, my butler, the new governess, Fräulein Maria.
sir.
That is the Elsa, Frau Schmidt, the housekeeper. Fräulein Maria, leave, the room is ready.
Yes, sir.
Well, I shall now leave you with the children. You are in command.
Pardon me, sir, but you didn't tell me how to address you.
You will call me Captain.
Oh, why, thank you, Captain. Oh, I forgot to return this whistle, Captain. I won't be needing it, Captain. Well, now that there's just us, would you please tell me your names again and tell me how old you are? Now,
I'm Liesel, I'm 16 years old, and I don't need a governess.
I'm so glad you told me we'll just be friends.
I'm Friedrich. I'm 14. I'm a boy.
Boy, why, you're almost a man.
I'm Pepita.
You didn't how old you are, Louisa.
I'm Lisa. She's Lisa, and she's 13 years old, and you are smart. I am 9, and I think your dress is the ugliest one I've ever saw.
Hey, Pizza, you mustn't say a thing like that.
Why not? Don't you think it's ugly?
Well, even if I did think so, I wouldn't say so. I'm Kurt. I'm 11. Almost.
That's a nice age to be, 11 almost.
I'm Marta, and I'm going to be 7 on Tuesday, and I like a pink pencil.
Pink is my favorite color, too. Now you must be Rebel. Well, now, I'm going to tell you something. I've never been a governess before. How do I start?
You mean you don't know anything about me?
Nope.
Well, the first thing you have to do is tell Father to mind his own business.
Louisa, don't. I like her.
What's in there?
Oh, it's my guitar.
What did you bring that for?
Oh, of course, you sing. Everybody sings. What songs do you know?
We don't.
You don't?
No.
Well, now, I know where to start. I'm going to teach you how to sing. Let's start at the very beginning. A very good place to start. When you read, you begin with A, B, C. When you sing, you begin with Do, Re, Mi, Mi. But first, please don't stop me. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti. Here, I'll make it easier for you. Listen. Do, a deer, a female deer, Re, on top of the sun. Mi, a name I call myself, Fa, a long way to run. So, I eat a bowling thread, La, I love to follow soul. Ti, I drink this jam and red, double chains are rocking, oh, 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 yeah. A deer, a female deer, Ray, a probable son. Me, a name I call myself, Bob, a long way to run. So I eat a bowling thread, Bob, I let you follow some. Tea, I drink the jam and red, that will bring us back to Joe. A deer, a female deer, Ray, a tropical sun. A name I call myself, Bob, a long way to run. So I eat a bowling thread, Bob, I let you follow some. Tea, I drink the jam and red, that will bring us back to Joe. Do, Re, Mi, Fa, Sol, La, Ti, Do. So,
And I